Hello everyone, I am going to share the outstanding features of Google Bard or Google Gemini. It has outstanding features that all the students should know about these features. It can extract data from images. It also can explain that data in very easy points. It also can concise a given picture. And if you give this Google Gemini raw data, it will arrange that data and process that data, and it can also make it summary of that data. It's just superb Google Gemini. Let me show you the real life example of this Google Gemini workings. Let me upload a picture. Here I uploaded a picture and I am giving instruction to Google Gemini, please extract data from that image. Please extract data from that image and also explain this image so that I can learn easily. Let's see. And it's processing this picture. As you can see that this is a plagiarism report from a document. It is showing that it has been 51% similarity and 50% from internet sources and more explanations. And these are the explanations from the Gemini. Gemini says that this image you sent is a screenshot of an originality report. It's just superb. It just superb. This report shows the percentage of plagiarism detected in document in case the document has a 51% similarity index. Exactly, it's right. Gemini is right. This means that 51% of text in document matches text from other sources. If you are not understanding this explanation, ask Gemini to please concise this information. This information. And here you will get outstanding results. Yes, you can see that in just 2 or 3 lines it is explaining all about this image. In that way, you people can use Google Gemini for your research purpose, for searching purpose, for writing articles, blogs, summaries, or even extracting data from the images.